how to download the MEXC app on your phone. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open Play Store on your device. Once you open Play Store, just go ahead and click on the search icon twice and search for MEXC. So after you search for MEXC, you can see the MEXC app. You can buy Bitcoin and BTC and as well as crypto. You can just go ahead and open it and click on install. To know more about the app, just go ahead and tap on the about this app section. And as you can see that this is one of the world's leading digital assets extending. So you can see that this offers a lot of things like 3,000 listed trading pairs, allowing you to enjoy a lot of wealth opportunities and some of the lowest fees available. So you can download the MEXC Bitcoin app and you can buy Bitcoin and crypto now. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.